Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring WhatsApp is updated and your phone already has at least one fingerprint registered. This is required. Open WhatsApp and tap Settings, then Account and Privacy. Once you reach Privacy, look for the Fingerprint Lock or Fingerprint Chat Lock entry. This is where the setting lives. Tap that option to begin enabling the lock. This first step links the app-level lock to the phone's biometric system, so make sure your primary fingerprint is active before continuing. Now you enable the fingerprint lock by toggling it on. The system will show a biometric prompt so you can confirm with your finger. After confirmation, pick an auto-lock interval, immediately after 1 minute or after 30 minutes, based on convenience versus privacy. Also decide whether to show message previews while locked, hide previews for maximum privacy, or allow them if quick glances are needed. These options control how often you authenticate and how much content. Finish by testing. Exit WhatsApp or a chat, reopen and verify that the app asks for your fingerprint. Authenticate to confirm it unlocks chats. If it fails, re-enroll fingerprints in your phone's system settings and try again. This often resolves registration mismatches. If problems persist, make sure both WhatsApp and your operating system are updated, then restart the device. This clears temporary biometric or permission glitches. One key tip: check app permissions for biometric access if authentication still doesn't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.